Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want a stronger, healthier hair and less breakage, today's video is perfect for you. I will show you how to make a powerful natural hair treatment using rice water, clove and cinnamon stick that support hair growth and scalp health. Natural ingredients nourish the scalp and strengthen hair strand. Healthy hair starts at the scalp, and by using the right natural ingredients, we can reduce breakage and support the growth of stronger, shinier hair. In this video, I will explain why each ingredient works, how to prepare the treatment, and how to apply it properly for best results. Start by washing your rice to remove dirt. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen your hair. After washing, soak it for about 30 minutes so it releases its nutrients into the water. 1 compound called inositol coats hair strand, temporarily repairing damage and making hair smoother and more manageable. After 30 minutes, strain. Pour the rice water into a small pot, add clove and the cinnamon stick, and boil for 10 minutes. This allows the water to absorb all the nutrients and beneficial compounds from the ingredients. Let's talk about the benefits of clove. Clove contains eugenol, an antioxidant that protects the scalp from damage. Clove also helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, helping them receive the nutrients needed to produce strong hair strands. Cinnamon stimulates circulation in the scalp and contains antioxidants that protect hair follicles. When combined with rice water and clove, it helps create an ideal environment for healthy hair growth. Once it's cooled completely, strain the liquid into a clean container or a spray bottle. Apply directly to the scalp and hair strand. Gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse with clean water. Use this treatment 1 to 2 times per week. Overuse may make hair feel stiff because rice water contains protein. With consistent use, your hair becomes softer, shinier, stronger and healthier. Natural hair care can be simple and effective. This rice water plus cinnamon and clove treatment nourish the scalp and strengthen your hair. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.